Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. You join me here today at Abbey House in the sought-after village of Bubbenhall, approximately 6 miles from both Coventry and Leamington Spa. Abbey House is a 6-bedroom, Grade 2 listed detached Georgian property with a separate 3-bedroom cottage that sits on approximately half an acre plot. Abbey House has been completely renovated throughout, including a new open-plan kitchen dining extension and further planning permission granted to convert the barn store into residential use. Abbey Cottage is currently rented out to provide additional income, but would also be perfect for multi-generational family living. So please come with me, let's take a look inside this stunning period property. You join me at the end of the video in the top paddock, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.